In this video, let's see how you can track whether reps are selling new features, or implementing your suggestions. You can add custom keywords, link them to a topic, add tags to them, and track their usage in Rafiki. These keywords are called trackers. You can add trackers for every feature or suggestion, and monitor rep adoption. To add a tracker, click on the Settings icon. Click on the Trackers tab. You can see a list of all the trackers that have been created, the topic they've been linked under, and the keywords for each tracker. To create a new tracker, click on Add Tracker. Give your tracker a name, and choose the topic it has to be linked under. For example, here I am creating a tracker called Music, and linking it under the topic, Special. You can add the keywords associated with the tracker. Rafiki automatically identifies these keywords in your conversations, and understands that they're associated with your tracker. The AI engine uses this data to give you accurate analysis of all your meetings. Remember, the more keywords you add, the more accurate your meeting analysis gets. We recommend you add at least 5 to 7 keywords for each of your trackers. Once you have filled in all the required details, click on Add. You should get a success message notifying you that your tracker has been added successfully. To edit an existing tracker, click on the Edit icon next on the Trackers row. Make the edits on the dialog box. In this case, I'm adding the keyword 2021 to the remote work tracker. Click on Add once you've made the edits. You should get a similar success message. Rafiki will now associate the new keyword to the remote work tracker and process it accordingly. To view the performance of your trackers, click on the Analytics tab. Click on Tracker Stats. You can see the average time spent on each tracker, and the individual, average duration spent on each tracker. In this case, we can see that Sander spends a lot of time talking about competitors, but Abe spends too little. We immediately know that Abe needs to be coached on key differentiators, or product USP. You can use filters to see how the trackers have been used across different time frames, deal sizes, deal stages, and more. In this case, I want to see how the trackers have been used in the current quarter. I can see that for the past few months, Victor has spoken much more about competitor mentions. This means that he is speaking well about unique product differentiators. Kudos to Victor. Click on the tracker graph to see individual rep averages for the tracker. In this case, we can see that Sanders spoke a lot about remote work, but Abe needs to include remote work more in his conversations. To view individual tracker patterns, click on the reps graph. Here, you can see that Victor talks way more about competitors than about remote work. This way Rafiki automatically tells you which trackers are being used and how reps are using them. You can create many such trackers for new features or suggestions and track them at an individual level. With Rafiki, you always know what's being said, by whom and how much. If you need any more assistance with Rafiki, please drop us a line. Thank you for watching.